This is the art of my Amma's Upma. First pallilu, then popu, some more popu, then stir. Populo em vesarma? What did you put?
Mustard seeds, jeera, urad dal, chana dal, groundnuts, cashew nuts. After the
Groundnuts and cashew nuts are optional.
yes.
Groundnuts are peanuts.
Just remove them and add them in the end. Daddy, na kavali ready. I kavali ready. Karepa kodate
In Anna.
karepa.
Karvepak kuda.
Karepa.
Curry leaves.
Onion, ginger, green chilies, and going to add curry leaves also. ఇచ్చేయండి ఇక్కడ సర్రమని అది
We stir them till they get golden brown. The aroma is so good. This is the mixture that goes back in.
you can add water.
You add water.
1:2.
That's the measurement. One for the sooji, Upma rava, and you can add haldi, which is turmeric. This is optional, but it's good for health, so we add that.
ఇంకా చెప్పాను అయిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు మేము
And then
అనుకుంటాం అయ్యో అని
salt to taste. How much salt did you add, Ma? Approximately?
roughly. ఒక్కొక్క ఉప్పు ఒక్కొక్క సాల్ట్ ఇదిగా ఉంటుంది.
Mom says, depending on the kind of salt you use, it has a different kind of strength. So it's hard to give the measurements. So salt,
జ్యోతి వాడు మిల్లెట్స్
I have to check. Yes.
నానబెట్టేస్తే
So we're planning for lunch. We're planning to have millets. And the birds chirp in the back.
let it boil. అంటే చెదరకుండా ఉంటుంది.
There we go. Water is boiling. Okay. We're going to add cream of wheat, sooji.
You have to reduce the flame when you're adding sooji into it.
Yes. And then stir. Continue stirring so that it doesn't form lumps. And it's an even consistency. And you have delicious upma at the end. And any servings, ma? How many servings will you get?
4.
4 servings.
If you want it to be thick, you can add less water.
Okay. పోపుని ఏమంటారు? సీజనింగ్ అంటారా?
Garnish.
గార్నిష్. And it's done. Delicious. That's my Amma's Upma. And we're ready to eat. ఒకసారి చెప్పండి అమ్మా. That's my Upma అనండి ఇటువైపు తిరిగి. That's my Upma ananandi.
That's Upma.
Okay.
Now it's ready to eat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.